for the past few seasons, the weather's been bad, but this season has been horrible. There's been a lot more game cancellations than before.
Just making it super waterlogged, we can't play, it's just rubbish. If we do play, we just slip about, get all muddy.
Yeah, this season's definitely been an eye-opener for me. Normally you'd expect a game here or there to be called off. That since December we've only played one game. We're in March now, and it's obviously frustrating for the team.
Yeah, I think climate change has a big impact on this due to global warming and everything going on, which makes the rain come more often and heavier.
It's really tough because we're all making an effort to make it happen, and yeah, it's disappointing for everyone.
I find when I play football I'm just happy and I'm with my friends and I just find it really fun.
Lot o pobl da. Yeah, just team da chwarae pêl-droed. Lots of jokes. Yeah, just enjoy it.
It makes it quite frustrating for us as players that we can't play football, the one thing that we love, really.
There's a lot of places in sort of rural Wales that don't have those 3G facilities, and that can lead to teams really struggling in the end to develop the quality that Welsh football needs, that British football needs. So, and at the moment that opportunity is just hard to come by. If this is a continuing trend, obviously some sort of action will have to be taken to prevent it and to allow us to be able to play.